Welcome. This is the Chapter 3 Review Packet Solutions. This is the last one. We are going to be covering Part 7 and Part 8 of the review packet. Alright, Part 7. It starts off with the angles of similar triangles. We're trying to compare to see if two triangles are similar. Remember, they are similar if all their angles are the same. Okay, how many angles are there? There looks like there's 3 angles, 95, 65, and 20. Same thing here, 95, 65, and 20. To see if they're similar, you have to compare the 3 angles. The 3 angles here have to match up. 95 matches up with 95, 65 matches up with 65, 20 matches up with 20. We're going to see if that works for the other ones. Alright, so number 1, it says tell whether the angles are similar. Explain. To do this, you have to do what? You have to compare the 3 angles. Okay? So, I have to solve for x and I have to solve for y. Right? I have to find the missing angles. First one, the first triangle, 28 plus 80 plus x equals to 180. That's how you solve for the unknown variable. 80 plus 28 is 108. Subtract that to both sides, x equals to 72. So where x is, I write 72. Next one, solving for y. 28 plus 71 plus y equals to 180. 28 plus 71 is 99. Subtract 99 to both sides, you get y equals to 81. So where y is, you write 81. Okay, now you look at it. 28 matches with 28, 80, 21, 72, 71. Ooh, these two don't match. So we would say the triangles are not similar. They're not similar because these two angles don't match up with these two angles. Alright, let's do number 2. Tell whether the triangles are similar. Explain. Remember, to do this, you have to compare the 3 angles. To find the 3 angles, you have to find the missing angle. First one, 66 plus 90 plus x equals to 180. 156 plus x equals to 180. Subtract 156, you get x equals to 24. So this part here is 24. X is 24. The next one, 24 plus 90 equals to y. Right? 90 plus 24 is 114. Here's y. Subtract 114 to both sides. Y equals 66. That's 66. Let's see if that matches. 24 matches up with 24. That red box, which is 90 degrees, matches up with this 90 degrees. 66 matches up with 66. So we say, yes, the triangles are similar. Good job. Alright, same thing for 5 and 6. Find the missing angles. So let's do that. 39 plus 34 plus x equals to 180. I did the work. X equals to 107. Next one, x equals to 34. Alright, so we have 39, 34, and 107. We have 39, 34, 107. Right? So we say, yep, these 3 are exactly like these 3. So we say, yes, the triangles are similar. What about the next one? 36 plus 72 plus x equals to 180. X equals to 72. Good. What about the next one? 72 plus 75 plus y. Y equals to 33. 72 here. 33 goes here. Let's see if that matches up. 72 matches up with 72. 72 matches. Does not match with 75. 36 does not match with 36. So we say that is not similar. Alright, what about 7 and 8? Same process. There's the work if you would like to see it. You can pause it if you would like to see the work completely. I'm going a little bit fast because you can watch the other video if you need to see the work in finer detail. Alright, so 64, 85, 31. Let's see if that's the same here. No, 85 matches. 26 does not match with 31. 69 does not match with 64. So we say the triangles are not similar. Let's see 8. That's the work to find the missing angles. 81, 81, 48, 48, 51, 51. Seems like all 3 matches. So we say yes, the triangles are similar. Alright? Okay. So again, we are going to make sure we compare the 3 angles. Alright? Here, state whether or not the triangles are similar. Support your answer. You see we have only 2 angles here. 2 angles here. We have to find the third and compare them. So here, 35 plus 75 plus x is equal to 180. So x equals to 70 after you do the work. So this piece here is 70. Okay? Notice it's 35 here and 70. It's 35 here and 70. It looks like that should be the same. Let's solve for the last one. Okay, it's 75. The reason why is because even if you set up the equation, it would be the same. It would be 35 plus 70 plus 75 equals to 180, right? So you would say, yes, the triangles are similar. Okay, because you see how these two were already matching up here, right? Good. All right, now same thing here. You have that 90 and you have that missing angle, the known angle, and you have to find this missing angle here. All right, 69, 26 plus 90 plus x equals to 180. Solve for x. So this piece here is 64. What about, ooh, we already see it. 64, 90. So this piece has to be 26. You see how this is 64? This is 90. 64, 90. It's already the two pieces are already there. Once you know two pieces, you don't even have to find the third, because the third automatically has to be the same. Okay, so you would say, yes, the triangles are similar here. Alright, so there's one more way to see if a triangle is similar. It is to see if they have a scale factor. In this case, we have this big object, triangle. Then we have this small triangle. Alright, it looks like it goes through a dilation. Let's see if there's a scale factor. The way they do it here is they're looking for a scale factor. Right, so 12, which is the XY line, divided by the RS line. So 12 divided by 20, you get 3/5. Right, 18 divided by 30, you get 3/5. 15 divided by 25, you also get 3/5. Notice how these are all the same scale factor, 3/5. So this big object times 3/5 gets you this small object. Okay, it goes through a dilation of a reduction. Let's see if that works. We have number 2 here. Number 2 asks us to see if they are similar. It gives us the sides. So again, we have to compute the scale factor. Alright, so what do? Is I flip it. Right, I want to make sure it's correct and write the numbers more neatly. This was 6, this was 9, and this is 12. Alright, so we do 8 and 6. Sorry, 6 divided by 8. 6 divided by 8, 3/4. 9 divided by 12, right? It's the right hand side. 9 divided by 12, 3/4. 12 divided by 16 is also 3/4. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. So we would say that the triangles are similar because they have a scale factor of 3/4. Alright, there you go. That was your solution for part 7 and part 8.